This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
A wheel chock is supplied with the vehicle toolkit. Chock the front wheel opposite the one to be removed. Where applicable, pull the trim from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Using a trolley jack, raise the trailing arm until the shock absorber is slightly compressed. Undo the retaining nut and slide out the lower mounting bolt. Remove the upper mounting bolt and nut, then withdraw the shock absorber from under the vehicle. Prior to refitting the shock absorber, mount it upright in the vise and operate it fully through several strokes in order to prime it. Apply a smear of multi-purpose grease to both the shock absorber mounting bolts. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then insert the upper mounting bolt. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the trailing arm, then insert the lower mounting bolt. Fit the new retaining nuts to the lower and upper mounting bolts, but don't tighten them yet. Using the jack, adjust the height of the trailing arm until the distance between the centres of the upper and lower mounting bolts is 317.5 mm. With the arm height correctly set, tighten the upper mounting nut to the specified torque. Tighten the lower mounting nut to the specified torque. Lower the trailing arm. Locate the wheel over the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the wheel trim and remove the wheel chock.